If you want to change app lock password on the Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, we can open settings. Over here in settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and go to apps. Then over here, we're gonna choose the app lock option. And then we need to enter our current password that we have for the app lock. Especially if you created the privacy protection password, then of course you want to enter the password over here. Then we can tap on this setting icon in the upper right corner. And then here we should be able to switch the password type. So this is where we can choose between the screen lock password or the dedicated privacy protection password. Now, if you had a screen password and you want screen lock password and you want to switch to a dedicated password, then you can do so over here. But if you have the privacy protection password already created and you want to change it, then in this case we actually need to go back to settings. There we go. In here you want to proceed to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And then here we have the privacy protection password option. We need to enter the privacy protection password to continue, and then we can find change privacy protection password option. Enter the password again, and then you can set up the new password. Leave a like and subscribe.